Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how goal setting is a lifestyle. It's not just something you do because Dan wants you to do it or because you read it in a book and it sounds like a good idea. It is a lifestyle. And why most people don't set goals is because they're either lazy or it's the fear of not being able to achieve those goals. So today I'm going to give you 3 simple yet effective steps to help you accomplish more goals, both personally and professionally. Whether you've set goals your whole life or you've never set goals in your life, you came to the right episode. As we get started today, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor, Project to Payment. If you're looking to take your trades company from pen and paper to online, doing estimating and invoicing and just streamlining the process and the experience that you create for your customers, through Bill for the Trades, you can get your first 3 months free. Goals provide clarity, they provide direction, they help align both your personal and professional. And if you had no goal set, it's kind of like shooting at the wall with an arrow and then going over to it and drawing the bullseye and the target around it. If you have no goal set, you're going to hit it every time. But when you have goals set, it's going to challenge you to get uncomfortable and to grow. So today, as we get started, I want you to really think about goal setting as a lifestyle. From today on, it's something that you're going to do on an annual basis, on a quarterly basis, on a weekly basis, all the way down to a daily habit of goal setting. Whether you are owning a business, managing something, leading your family, or operating a service truck, every day you could simply write down goals that you want to accomplish that day and realize that this is not something that I'm just going to try because I'm listening to this episode, but this is something that I'm really going to buy into. The greatest leaders, the most successful people, they are consistent with their goal setting. Let's talk about goal setting as a daily habit. Let's just break it down to the smallest area of goal setting. Goal setting, being consistent and setting goals every day is going to allow you to be able to go back to those goals after the busy time, after all the fires are put out. You can go back and do what I call recentering yourself around the goals you set for the day. Every day, you should have at least 1 to 3 things that you know that you need to focus on that are most important, that are going to move the needle in your business and your leadership. I like to set the goals at the very beginning of my day, before I look at my email, before I look at social media, before I interact with anybody else. I'm looking at my calendar, I'm looking at my long-term goals, and I'm saying, what do I need to accomplish today? And then at lunch, I go back to that list and I ask myself, what have I done to accomplish those goals? And at the end of the day, I'll go back to that list and I'll look at it. And guess what? Not every day am I accomplishing all the goals I have set, but I'm not letting that demotivate me. I'm saying, okay, what can I do different tomorrow in order to get 100%, achieve 100% of the goals I have set for myself? So the first area I want to focus on is I want to encourage you, make goal setting a daily habit. If you do that, it's going to be easier to set some longer term goals for yourself. In the beginning of this podcast, I was talking about the importance of setting yearly and quarterly and weekly and daily goals. So I'm kind of starting at the end there and saying, hey, if you've never goal set before, just try setting some simple daily goals. See how that goes first. And once you build momentum there, you can start to set weekly goals. You can start to set quarterly goals, and then you can start to set yearly goals for yourself and your business. Number 2, aligning those goals that you're setting, especially when you look out quarterly or look out on an annual basis, work on aligning those goals with your personal goals. The importance of this is it's going to keep you motivated towards achieving those goals. A good example of this would be if I'm a business owner who wanted to increase my revenue by 20% in my business, but at the same time also focus on improving my work-life balance, spending more time, with my kids. My goal may be to optimize my operational efficiency so that way I can reduce the hours I'm working, or maybe delegating responsibility so I'm still going to hit that 20%, but I can reduce the hours that I'm working and be able to spend more time with my kids. So when you align your personal and your business goals, we know that you're going to be more likely to stay motivated and achieve success in both areas. The third area that's really important with goal setting and having this lifestyle is having an accountability partner. Whether that accountability partner is a team member or a mentor or a friend, somebody who's going after it together with you, that can encourage you, that can help you, is going to be key towards staying consistent. When you set goals, you're going to be motivated. Like going through this episode, you may say, hey, I'm motivated now to set goals, but a week or two from now, when that motivation wears off, are you still setting goals? See, having somebody who can help hold you accountable is going to keep you, it's going to help you move from being motivated to being disciplined. Motivation is doing things when you feel like it. Discipline is doing things, the right things, when you don't feel like it. So today I encourage you, get somebody to help hold you accountable. If I'm operating a business, it may be my weekly leadership meetings. We're checking in on our quarterly goals. If it's a personal deal, it may be that I want to start working out more, so I'm going to get a workout partner. Somebody who I know also has to get up and go work out in the morning, and they're going to help, and we're going to help hold each other accountable. So accountability is huge. Key takeaways today, remember, goal setting is a lifestyle. If you want success in your life, setting goals will allow you to get uncomfortable, will allow you to do different things on a daily basis that will get you different results for your personal life and your business. Think about that. If you stop this episode and you're like, yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing what I've always done, guess what? You're gonna keep getting the results that you have always received. So make goal setting a daily habit first. It's easier to bite off daily chunks. Do it, set those goals before you do anything else, and then revisit those goals at lunch and revisit them at the end of the day. Learn, rinse, and repeat. Once you make that a habit, then you can start to look out for weekly goals, then quarterly goals, then yearly goals. Align those personal goals that you set, or align those business goals that you set to your personal life. That's going to keep you more motivated, and that's going to be your why behind accomplishing what you have set out to accomplish. And then the third area we talked about today, get a good accountability partner, somebody that can check in with you, that can be your cheerleader and support you. And accountability can go both ways. That's going to be the secret from going from motivation to discipline. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with a friend, somebody that you know would benefit from this episode. Let's keep building stronger leadership, stronger businesses with these goal setting steps. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you next time.